expect out of Cincinnati's defense?
Oh, they're good. They're good at every level. I mean, they got some experienced defensive tackles. They got some really athletic defensive ends. The linebacker corps is probably as good as any in the country. We know that. We treat those guys with the utmost respect, and it sounds like they've got 8 defensive backs that they really feel good about, and they're going to play interchangeably. So they'll be fresh in the fourth quarter. We're going to get their best shot. There's going to be a lot of crowd noise. We'll be ready to go, but they're good at every level on defense.
What is it about those linebackers? They look like they got pretty good size and physicality, things like that.
Yeah, I mean, you know, the middle guy just makes a ton of tackles. He's got a real good nose for the ball. We deeply respect every one of them, and you know, the field linebacker and look in the boundary. We presume he'll be in the boundary. He could be anywhere. You know, those guys are just unbelievable athletes, and with that guy in the middle, with just such a nose for the ball, it's a good group. We're gonna, you know, have to try to slow them down a little bit with some play actions and some deception and different things, but those guys, we're going to have to block them at the end of the day. And the defensive line makes it tough to get to them sometimes. We respect their group.
From a style point of view, what do they like to do? I mean, from what you can tell from the new coaching staff.
Yeah, it's a new coaching staff. I mean, there'll be things that'll show up we've never seen before, and I imagine they'll see some things they've never seen before too. And you know, we got to be better in the second quarter than the first, and the third quarter than the second, and we got to be at our best in the fourth quarter. We got to do a good job of scouting them as the game goes, and I'm sure they'll be doing the same with us. But our guys know football; they'll be able to handle that.
What do you think your strength is right now?
Our strength is just our group of guys. They know football. It's a hungry group of guys, and we've got good morale. We got guys that are willing to fight like heck, and a tough bunch of guys that they know what they're getting into. We're going down there. We know it's sold out. We know all that stuff. And you know, last year that's the best defense in the history of the University of Cincinnati, they say. We're going to put our best foot forward. We've got a good bunch of guys with a strong backbone.
Do you script things out? Is that sort of how you play the first so many plays? You know, script it out and things?
I mean, we'll have an idea of what plays we want to run in the first quarter to try to get a beat on how they're lined up and if they're doing what we expect or not. But, you know, you script the first play, and then, you know, from there, plans are kind of fragile. You move in different directions. So we'll see.